The Rinnai RX160iN Tankless water heater delivers a strong flow rate of up to 9 gallons per minute, making it well suited for busy households that run multiple fixtures at once without losing hot water. Its condensing design with a very high efficiency rating means it turns more of the fuel into usable heat, which can noticeably cut energy waste over time. The unit can be configured for either natural gas or propane and is approved for both indoor and outdoor installation, giving homeowners a lot of flexibility during remodeling or new construction. A compact form factor roughly comparable to a small suitcase frees up valuable floor space compared with a bulky storage tank, which is especially helpful in tight utility rooms. The control panel is straightforward to navigate, and the built-in quick flush feature makes routine maintenance simpler, which should help the heater maintain performance over many years. Optional wireless connectivity through the separate Control R module allows remote monitoring and adjustment, adding a layer of convenience for users who like smart home integration.